Barrister forgiven Amachree, and by the special grace of God, I am one of the newly sworn-in special advisors that we are just sworn in some minutes ago. I have a passion for the good of River State. That has been my calling. That has been my vision. How River State will become a better place for every indigene and resident. And this is an opportunity, I believe, that I will be able to showcase that passion that I have. A state that will thrive in every sphere, a state that will be robust economically, a state that will be peaceful, a state that everyone will desire to reside in. I believe that this office, subject to how the Governor, His Excellency, intend that I should function. But whatever portfolio I am subsequently given, I will ensure that I discharge my duties to the best of my abilities and ensure that River State is better than where we met it. I will join the team that the governor has assembled to support him and put in my best. The best of my best will be what I will give to River State, because since I said earlier, that has been my vision, that has been my passion to work for River State.
You know, before now, I've been the coordinator of non-indigenous in River State SYMFONI movement. And His Excellency has charged me to unify the non-indigenous in River State without no discrimination on where you are from or where you are not from. But we has charged us also to go into proper work to see how we can make our people live in River State peacefully, the non-indigenous, the Hausa, the Yoruba, the Akwa Ibom, the Edo, the Hausa, Bayelsa, and other minority tribes. He has told us that we need to bring everybody, which we already be doing before now. You can see since I became the coordinator, the non-indigenous in River State have one voice and move one direction. So by this great honor that the governor has bestowed on me, is going to make us to do more than what we have done before now, to make sure that there's peace in River State and to support the good work of His Excellency, the Governor of River State.
You know, politics and administration is it's about teamwork. It's not about you. It's about everybody in the ministry. I want to believe that with perfect coordination, we can achieve any task given to us. Not just me, my entire clan, because I'm the first commissioner from my ward. Yes, and I'm about the third commissioner from my clan, you know, from the creation of my local government. So we are extremely grateful to His Excellency for considering us and finding us worthy of serving in the state government.
That is the glamorous and alarming thing about being a medical doctor. You know, a medical doctor is a scientist, and being a scientist, he can cover very many areas. No matter the area given to a medical doctor, he will perform creditably well. And prior to this time, I was a permanent secretary. I've been in Ministry of Youth, I've been in Ministry of Special Projects, and His Excellency probably has found me worthy to elevate my status to the position of being a commissioner and a member of the River State Executive Council. And so any position assigned to me, I am very sure that I will satisfy not only His Excellency but Rivers people. Thank you.